The fitness boom has promoted the growth of boot camps, fitness classes, weightlifting as a hobby and powerlifting competitions. If you are a beginner to any specific lifting style, or to weightlifting in general, choosing the right workout gloves can be overwhelming. This video will help you understand what to look for in a good workout glove, and what qualities match your needs. There are many products available to choose workout gloves, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best workout gloves from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bear Gripps Workout Gloves. Bear Gripps Workout Gloves is my all-time favorite gym gloves. They have the best full finger hand protection. It can safeguard your hands with full finger workout gloves in the gym from weights, dumbbells, barbells, and machines. Bear Gripps gym gloves help protect against sweat and dirt in the gym, and out in everyday life. With a rubber-coated palm for a secure grip. It has modern training gloves with touchscreen fingertips, easily type on phones and cardio machines, and don't forget that selfie. They design all of their workout gear based on the feedback from actual users. They create the products from scratch with minimalistic designs that aid in peak performance. Also, they source the highest quality materials, and the great thing about Bear Gripps is it takes only one workout to feel the difference. Workout gear that lets you perform at your absolute best. Bear Gripps keeps your muscles and joints safe. Bear Gripps full finger workout gloves come in men's and women's sizes from XSXXL for the perfect fit. They will ensure you are satisfied with product quality. Once you tried them, you will never work out without it. Number 2. Scott Evo 2 Weightlifting Gloves. The majority of clients agreed that these Scott Evo are the best weightlifting gloves, as they may provide the best hand protection and wrist support. The wrist wraps seem to give us all a good bit more confidence even when powerlifting larger loads. The Evo 2 series by Scott is designed to help both professional and novice weightlifters achieve the best possible result, and special attention was given to the assembly to ensure the best possible durability and comfort. All Scott Fitness International products represent years of continuous engineering, refinement, and technological evolution. We proudly design and produce exclusive fitness clothing and training accessories. Positive side of this product. The half-finger gloves may reduce sweating. Includes silicate gel palm pads for less risk of slipping. People like the wide wrist strap for added injury protection. The sizing guide is easy to follow and get the right fit. Negative side of this product. You may need to wash them regularly to avoid smells. Number 3. ihew Ventilated Weightlifting Gym Workout Gloves. ihew 2022 gloves are perfect for the serious gym goer. These gloves work just as hard as you during your intense fitness routine, protecting your hands from torn skin, while still lasting through every session. We were pleasantly surprised by the strength of the material and stitching that kept us fit and padding after many intense lifting sessions. The elastic wrist wrap is incredibly supportive for wrist pain, especially in wrist-loading exercises like push-ups. The padding is very comfortable, but not too thick, so that grip or movement is complicated or uncomfortable. Overall, these gloves are great quality at an affordable price and perfect for a serious gym goer. Your hands will be dry and comfortable in these breathable ultralight microfiber workout gloves. ihew gloves' ventilated design lets sweat escape, keeping your gloves from developing odors, and therefore meaning they'll require less cleaning. The built-in wrist straps for these gloves are uniquely designed for strong wrist support even for the toughest Olympian lifts. Number 4. New Ventilated Weightlifting Workout Gloves. The open design is great for keeping hands dry since there is no backing that will contain moisture. These gloves are great for doing heavy lifts that allow more natural movement. If you are looking for a glove that gives you protection, but has minimal effect on form, these might be the right gloves for you. The adjustable wrist strap and open design of these workout gloves gives them plenty of room for gym goers with larger hands. These ventilated ultralight microfiber gloves will let your hands move freely for intense lifts, while keeping a comfortable dry grip. Less constricted sweaty hands leads to less need for cleaning, because the odor can escape more easily. Your wrists will be securely supported with Velcro wrist straps that can be custom fitted for the right support you need. Number 5. glowfit Freedom Workout Gloves. Some people prefer a workout glove with an open back. It's an area that doesn't really require protection, which might significantly cool down your hands. Padded abrasion-resistant palm with silicate gel anti-slip points for enhanced comfort, grip, and durability. Enhanced protection against training abrasions such as calluses and blisters. Experience ultimate protection and comfort with the glowfit Freedom Workout Gloves. Positive side of this product. Open back design may provide more breathability. Strapless exercise gloves make them more suitable for wearing a fitness tracker. People like the gel padding for better palm protection. Negative side of this product. The sizing runs a bit small. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.